Welcome to 1321 Lesnett Road, located in Upper St. Clair. This is a new construction, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with first floor office, 2-story entry, powder room, mudroom that locates out to a 3-car garage, custom kitchen with granite countertops, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, tile backsplash, along with an open floor plan that leads to the living area, eating kitchen, covered back porch, which you have an acre lot to enjoy those sunsets and sunrises, and shiplap walls and crown molding throughout the first floor. There's hardwood floors that also encompass the entire first floor. Dining room also has a trade ceiling. There's been no detail missed by this builder. The builder is Prime One Builders and also high-end remodeler located here in the South Hills. On the second floor of this custom home, enjoy 4 bedrooms, a bath with double bowl sink, ceramic tile floor, as well as a second floor laundry and a master bedroom you can't wait to see. Come on and take a look. In this master bedroom, you have great wall space for several different options for laying out your furniture, windows with an amazing view of the backyard to enjoy the summer nights. In this master bathroom, you have a shower that is ceramic tile floor and walls with a rainfall shower head, a water closet, linen, vanity with a tower, as well as a great master closet. Come take a look. Thanks again for watching this video on 1321 Lesnett Road, located in Upper St. Clair. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage with a finished basement situated on a 1-acre lot in Upper St. Clair. For more information, please reach out. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one.